Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Speedway. Guys, as you know, in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash and step index. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, and also you can join our Telegram group to get free indicator. And also, if you are looking for a best indicator to trade with, you can reach up the admin, and the admin can get access to you. Exactly. So guys, inside this video I'm going to show you guys on how to make use of this indicator to catch up your spike massively on boom 300 1 minute time frames. So I've already made a video on it, on how to make use of this strategy to trade on boom 1000 on catching spike. So I'm going to make this video only based on boom 300 in 1 minute time frames. So guys, I will show you the settings of this strategy, but let me first explain how this strategy works. So guys, you are going to see that we have a two accurate level here, which is the level of 80 and level of 30. So, and also we have our MACD here, our histograph MACD here, and we have our yellow line that's come down to this level, and we also have our moving average, which is the blue line. We also have our red line here at this level. So what you are going to be waiting for, what you are going to be looking for, is any trade that go below 30 level. Any trade that go below 30 level. So immediately we have our yellow line that go below 30. That is our first confirmation. Anytime we have our yellow line that go below the 30 level, that is our first confirmation. Now, what you are going to wait for is the red also. The red signal also should be able to cross that same level. So immediately it crossed that same level, then that is the right time for you to take your spike level. That is the right time to take your spike level. So immediately the red line, it cross that same level, and it is closer to our yellow line, which is our histograph here at this area. This is our right time to enter a particular trade. And we can see, then what you are going to be seeing now is that you are going to be seeing a massive spike begin. That is how to make use of this strategy, guys. So let's see how it works. Let's see some confirmation. We can see that this yellow line crossed over the 30 level, but our red line could not able to cross it over. So that is to tell us that all this trade here we are not to take it. So that's why you need to be careful, so that anytime you see the yellow line crossing over the 30 level, you have to wait for the red line to cross it over before you decide what to take. Let me show you another example. This is another example now. You can see that the yellow line cross it over at this level, and we wait for our red also to cross it over, and immediately cross it over. That is the best time for you to enter your trade. And when you enter your trade, what you are going to see is what? It's massive spike. So that is how you can catch up your spike daily on this particular trend. We can see. So the same thing also happen here. We can see that it crossed it over here, and we also have our red line cross it over. And what do you see? A massive spike. So that is how this strategy works. All what you need to do is to wait till have your confirmation before you enter your trade. We can see now we do not have any confirmation yet, so we wait till we have our confirmation. You see, like what happened here now, we have our confirmation at this level. The yellow line crosses it over. It crosses below the 30 level, and also we also have our red line that also cross it over also. That is to tell us that this is the best place to take our trade. And what we see next is it's massive spike. So that is how to make use of this indicator back to back. And also same thing also happened here. We can see that the yellow line cross it over, and we have our red line also cross it over. What do you see? You see massive spike. So that is how to catch up your spike daily on trading boom 300 and 1 minute time frame. Same thing also happen here. And what do you see? That's how to catch up your spike. So that's it. So with this strategy, you can help you to catch up your spike. So let me show you the settings of this strategy. We did not have anything on our main chart. We have indicator window 1, which is RSI. We have the period of 14. We have apply to close. We have level to be 30 and 80, and we have our style to be in red color. Then you click on save. Then we have moving average. We have the period of 50. We have shift of 0. We have methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we have level, nothing in level now. We have none in level. So now we have our style to be in blue color. So we have our MACD, which is MACD. We have our fast EMA to be 12. We have our slow to be 26. We have our MACD to be to be 9. We have apply to close. So that is the style. This is the style. This is the color of our histograph, and you can change it to any color of your choice. Then you click on save. That is how you can have the same settings. You can see now we are already in if I enter this particular trade at this particular level now, I will have been in massive profit, because the trade is is on the spike level now. So immediately it spike up to like 3 to 4 times, then you are out of the game. Then look for another entry, then you can enter again. So that is how you can make use of this strategy, guys. So if you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to this channel and also join our Telegram group for daily updates. And if you need any assistance and any support, kindly reach the admin. Thanks.